Do you have a flight out of Melbourne International Airport coming up and want to know what to expect, how to get there, duty-free, restaurants and more? This is the only video you'll need to watch for Melbourne Tullamarine Airport. Hello and welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Melbourne Tullamarine Airport is located approximately 20 minutes from Melbourne CBD. You can reach the airport through rideshare, taxi, and also their airport bus, which is called Skybus. When you arrive at the airport, you can easily find your airline check-in counter as the airport is very well signed. Once we dropped off our bags, we headed to the departure area. This is where we had our carry-on luggage scanned and passports checked. After that, we were straight through to duty free. Melbourne International Airport has a large duty-free range with all the usual cosmetics, alcohol and makeup brands you'd need, plus a few souvenirs as well. You'll also find a few designer stores such as Armani or Burberry. The airport has quite a few dining options before your flight. You can find Hungry Jack's for fast food and quite a few different restaurants and cafes. Melbourne Airport also has all the facilities you would need before your international flight. You can find all the usual airport lounges, currency exchange, free Wi-Fi, plenty of bathrooms, and water filling stations. You will have no problem finding a place to relax before your flight too. Once we picked up a few snacks for our flight, we waited until it was time for us to board. We hope you enjoyed watching our experience at Melbourne Tullamarine Airport. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.